going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we achieved this look in today's video, baby. I'm really feeling this look. I really love the way this look came out. And if you want to see how I achieved this look, honey, make sure you guys keep on watching. So we are going to be jumping right into it. What is going on, my boo? I just need to conceal this lid real quick. How you been? What you been doing? You know what I'm saying? Did you do everything you were supposed to do? Like smash them goals and stuff like that? Like, what's been going on, boo? Make sure you hit me down in the comments below and let me know. First of all, did you see the Grammys? Real quick, we're going to be jumping into the Carnival palette. That's what I did to create this look. And we're going to be jumping into Make Waves. But yeah, did you see the Grammys? Like, I really love how they did it this year. Also, congratulations to Megan. Go boo! Winning Grammys. Like, it's so crazy to see a person start off and then just watch them grow. I just feel like it's just so amazing. I'm going to be jumping into Soft Spot to blend that out, this right here. And I'm taking the same brush too. I'm just going to flip it on the other side. But yes, it was just so good. Like, she killed it. All right, now since we have that down, we're going to jump into Endless. Oh, and I'm taking an M514 brush, and this brush that I used was the M456. Get you that brush, boo. She really killed her performance, but I ain't gonna lie though. I wanted her and Beyonce to perform together. Like, every time I kept hearing, okay, I'm like, ooh, that's her in the background. She gonna come out and perform with Megan. She gonna come out. And she ain't come out. I know I'm not the only one that felt that way. Am I the only one that felt that way because I felt that way? Got me sitting up there all hype and you ain't even get go. Hips tick-tock when I dance. You know you want to hear that. You know you wanted to see Beyonce say on that Demon Time she might start that OnlyFans. Ooh. Moving forward, we're going to be jumping into Lit because it would have been lit if she would have came, okay? If she would have did it, okay? I was really like banking, you know what I'm saying? But Megan still killed it. What? Megan? Oh my God. She's so the bomb. She be killing it. I was actually a part of her clip. She had wore my stuff before and she put the clip of when she wore my stuff in her joint. Like, Budgie Wong had a little second at the Grammys. You know what I'm saying? So I was a little hype or whatever. But I'm so proud of Megan, and that is my boo. Real quick, we're going to be jumping into Ecstasy. And we just gonna be petting that right here. And then hold up, what about Cardi? Cardi killed it, okay? Her whole outfit, she looked so decent and her hair was so cute. And it just had me just reminiscing about like when I was younger and I wanted to do stuff and I used to be like, oh my God, I dream to do this, I dream to do that. And like now it's like a lot of things that I have dreamed to do is really coming into fruition. It's just such an unbelievable moment. Real quick, we're going to be jumping into Nitro with the P. Louise so we could do this wing. I'm going to do this real quick quiet. Y'all already know I got to be quiet for this wing, you know? But yeah, like I was saying while I touch up this wing, I just love reminiscing about like things I used to do and stuff like that. And I remember one day I got a story, y'all. One day when me and my brother, we was kids, right? We used to always go to my aunt's house and my uncle's house. And my Uncle Peter, just to make a long story short, we used to go there in the morning and he used to always give us like a bunch of candy and stuff, right? So one day, my brother seen him stick himself with a needle. You know, asked me like, Stacy, what is he doing? Like, why do he keep sticking himself with the needle in his stomach? So I'm like, well, he's a diabetic or whatever. I told my brother. So clearly my brother didn't believe me because he went and asked my grandma. And my grandma grandma said the same thing. My brother like, man, when Uncle Peter get up, I'ma ask Uncle Peter, man, what's up with the needles for real. I'ma ask him. So I'm like, do not ask Uncle Peter about nothing about those needles. He like, I'ma ask him, I'ma ask him. Really, really quick, because we need to get under this under eye, I'm going to jump into this P. Louise. This is the Rumor 5 base. And I'm gonna take a little bit and put it under there just like that, okay? Stamp it right under there, all good. So I'm like, Archie, do not say that. Don't say nothing to Uncle Peter about it. So he like, I am going to definitely ask Uncle Peter because he be eating a lot of candy. So I'm like, oh my God, Uncle Peter gonna curse my brother out because he played too much. Oh my God, I'm too busy telling y'all the story. I forgot to do my wing line. Hold on, intermission with the story. Let me jump this on. So really quick, we're going to be jumping into face, okay? We're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filter, really quick, and we're gonna be putting this all over the face. So back to the story, my brother was like, all right, listen, bunk that. Like when he get up, I'ma ask him. So my Uncle Peter gets up. We're gonna jump into foundation. This is the LYS, and this is actually in the color DPG1. Archie like, Uncle Peter, can I ask you a question? Uncle Peter like, yeah, why you be eating so much candy? So Uncle Peter like, what are you talking about? Why do I be eating so much candy? You eat a lot of candy. You eat more than me and Stacy. So my Uncle Peter like, what you mean why I eat so much candy? You don't never say nothing when I give it to you. So my Uncle Peter like, you need to mind your business. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can eat how much candy I want. You don't say nothing when you eating it. Why my brother had the nerve to say to Uncle Peter? We're going to jump into the Hourglass Vanish for concealer. He said to my uncle, y'all, you the one to the point where as though you got to stick needles in your stomach. I'm trying to help you out. Yo, when I tell you my Uncle Peter bust out laughing so hard and was like, you need to mind your business. Ain't nobody talking to you. He was so mad, but it was just like, we used to just be so goofy, like, and didn't really mean to be. I'm going contour with the Bobbi brown in the color fonts. Y'all already know. But yes, I was like, oh my God, he played too much. It used to be to the point that my uncle used to eat all this candy and still stick himself like every day, and he used to stay giving us the candy too, and that candy used to be good though. He had all the little butterscotches, like he had the good candy, yo. He had the good candy. But yes, I'm telling you, I just be reminiscing, and I used to just be like, man, back in the day it used to just be so much fun. Like, so now we're just gonna start blending. So I'm gonna take this Real Technique brush and just blend this in real good, just like that. I still wait to blend my inner corners too. But yes, I love, like, back in the days when I used to be in the playground and just play with my friends. And those days and those memories are memories that I love to keep, because when I was a kid, I had decent friends. All my friends was decent, and thank God all my friends that was like decent, they decent now. They still decent, okay? They wasn't just decent in high school, okay? This contour is so good. Like, it really, like, look at that. Look at that. Like, oh, yes, girl. You gotta get you some Bobbi brown, okay? It be doing the thing. But other than that, I just been chilling, working, trying to stay as focused as possible. And I've been looking at a lot of looks and studying a lot of looks lately. I just love looking at new looks and learning new looks for makeup so I can bring them to you guys. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to be like, yo, like, because of STACIEWO, I be doing my makeup a little fly, period, okay? Like, that's what I want y'all to be saying, okay? Because shoot, it wasn't easy with me learning how to do makeup, so it feels good to be able to show somebody, okay? So we're gonna be hurrying up and baking, because y'all already know I'm a fool if I don't bake. And we're going to be baking with the Laura Mercier in the color Honey. Do you see how when you let that sit, what it does to your makeup? what it does to your makeup, baby. I feel like you get a more flawless application when you just set it, like just tap it in there. So I kind of like mini bake, but I don't bake, you know. But yes, honey, the Grammys was hitting. Everybody looked so good at the Grammys too. Lizzo looked good. I seen Jean Aiko and Big Sean. So many people look really, really good. Now I understand a little bit more of Billie's music, because I used to be like, oh my God, her music sometimes come across so dark. But now I understand, because, you know, when she talked about her music at the Grammy, she just talked about a lot of the anxiety and things that she went through. So I was like, oh, that's what's up. You know what I'm saying? Because I still listen to her music. I like her music. But sometimes it can be like a little dark. Ooh, and I'm just showing y'all how I really like contour this nose, baby. We learning how to do makeup together, and that's just on Mary Had a Little Lamb. I miss Joanne the Scammer. Honestly, truly, I miss him. I wonder how he's doing. You know, he pops up on the scene every once in a while, but then he goes back about his business. But he needs to come, because he's been away for too long. Like, set that contour on the nose. This makeup came out good. Look at you, Stacy. Ooh. And now we're gonna jump into that dark deep, and we're gonna take some of that dark deep, and you can get a big fluffy brush and just. We're going to be jumping into highlight, and I want to be a little extra. I'm going to jump into this Gold Luxe, that little bright one right there, just a little extra, because you know I just want to beam today. That's the vibes. That's just definitely the vibe that I was just giving. Like, it's just something about highlight. It's like my greatest obsession. I love highlight. Highlight me forever, baby. I even put it on my chin. Like, I love highlight. I know y'all probably sick of cashmere, but y'all won't get cashmere again today. You know, I love Cashmere by Elle. Listen, I love Cashmere by Lancome. I said Elle, but tell Lancome to come holler at me. Their products is like. And then I top it with this Chill by Morphe. Y'all know. Shout out to my day ones. And now we're gonna spray this face. So my boo, this is the final look. I really, really love the blending. It's all about the blending for me. I really, really love how this look came out. Like, this really came out really decent. Like, I really love this look. If you is feeling this look and loving how this look came out, don't forget to smash the like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, if you are still watching and you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you waiting for, honey. You better hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell button too, because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos, and that is on Mary Had a Little Lamb, okay? So with that being said, I love you, boo, so much. Thank you so much for watching me and watching me grow. I love you. But with that being said, I love you, boo. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.